Alright, asante sana kero nkobarigania sana se studio cheto cha Radio Vuna 102.0 FM gotore live na boyo gotobwati no nyisiko ya Kenya gotobwati gwetera www.radiovuna.co.ke abasai abarai be kiombe kia Kenya Youth Organization gocha kura soko bako kwanda gokobe kombo kwandra nere Brian Kioro. Karibu sana ekero kunyera kuba kwani gwete ngaba Kenya go bagotegerete na inde gora se radio nambe ya Morongora South Nyanza kulingana na Kuza Awards 2023. Karibu sana.
Asante sana. So twarigania ng'abarai babasai.
Yes.
Inde tunyare kugambira ogorai namagendro namagana y'abasai ya sogorai namagendro. Ono Kenya Youth Organization. I'm the National Secretary Kenya Youth Organization. And they keep the kid to watch it among abasai Kenya ngima.
Okay.
Kere county baka ward level, national level to hachamo. Tokaivanga tukatanga abasai kato chamo inde tumanya na inki ngitubonete gukora ngabasai so uragwese na koleta magadrese ngabwendete.
All right,
so that intonya kusuka uchimayiga tukunya kuranga ibintu mbiru bya urayinobe na into toro bono ikala into ibekeme tukanje bya kabisenge bwendete ngabasai twasiama.
All right, we get into that lakini andake nkanga yi bantu na nyere banka mbako tegerete badukumanya mwana no yoitaba basino mungao
inkanga ya Kinyaruga ya Kenya inagu Matuta ward West Mogiana constituency abantari kabisa mbande garete kwagete mbate imipango tutubwate ngabasai.
All right, asante sana Brian Kioro, National Secretary Kenya Youth Organization. All right, so kapokwa no kulientole nero maraya sireta mitieka Samuel.
Yes.
Ojiole National Communication Director Kenya Youth Organization. Karibu sana kero nayo kunyera kapokwa ni mu Kenya.
Thank you very much Samuel Tango ku Samuel mitieka tata mitieka go by the way. My mama go ku Agnes Nyaboki. Ona wa Bible bad. I come from the Massive. But partly in the Masimba ward. Aso mugambi ogorukunga post mairura no RMMCA in Kenya Youth Organization. I'm the National Communication Director and I know our members are actually listening. Welcome to board. We are going to talk issues. Yabasai they form part of 60% of the population in this country. So as my national secretary has said, ntuni ntitokuya tena mbenene tuwenta kwa considered Yes.
At the moment your conversation era sense ya Kenya of course ikagambero ki high court ingene toroka kigote ni gazette notice area yo commenta charges sasa bintu au gatiabo IDs passports nabona basaya banke na ubakurikiche passport bateme ku Rwanda kigara mirimo ya burega Kenya banyole merimo chinse cheisiko ekaro witi litukaze linde serikali igendereta commenta ebintu au gatiabo bintu important ibuna GID birth certificates konyora passport ne bintu benka nebyo timeti. What is your position ibuna murai kurwase Kenya Youth Organization?
Murai wabasa Kenya Youth Organization ile idea you I'm not for it ni yapingete nanje ekiagera omainte is like kuweka chiri restriction ya sabantu ngamba akora gento gete enganga kubeke fine yo over speeding driver mainte ngai over speed mugakwande fine so tinkonyara over speed bona ikenga no gote abantu nga mubwateke. So is my own idea serikali we can involve all stakeholders bamanye nk'abana inchi bakaniti kurwa ase bariko because those fees chikoroka to be somehow abnormal abantu bangatanya ku afford because at the moment ngato kwana muntu narora ero butuko ukara ranjero utayet sap naro yondo tayet mpaka lunch. So such essential documents ichigane imononga mabona basaya bange barengata kibakwenda isiko such a thing omuntu atanyarite passport that meaning omubekete restriction aitogwento kwenda isiko bera Kenya aitogwento konyara birth certificate yako rekeneke aitegerra osa itogane iria idivori place bosenkyo ndebe yako reke tigarao. So the government can consider everything get consider yabake even if they have to increase it ba and barubirige everything byaba Kenya what exactly they want. So they do that with imeri aseme yasibara nyare wekirania chikwende chiro sose chiwendete.
Okay, Ndaraja semiti I wanted to as if I do material I go through some few things as a gazette notice ega of course engineer toka bageko ratene nigwane kigambero ekenene saisi gako register omwana linanya kwa konyole birth certificate current fees at 50 shillings gazette notice yeko proposing amount mpaka shilingi 200.
Yes.
Ngaba sai bako so wasenyo mabono okonyoro omwana garama iko ngomo. Death certificate at 50 shillings amount mpaka 200. Death certificate from 150 to 500 500 shillings. Foreign debt by missionary from US dollars 50 to about 150 US dollars. Sebu negati yebintu biribya reko babikomentwa. I want also to refer to other things. Tikatonda se passport, which is very essential.
Yes.
And ekukuna basaya bank.
Yes.
A diplomatic passport ya 50 pages currently get at 7,500 shillings kwa enyora. Ibade tokenye menda mpaka chiribu 15. 15,000.
Yes.
Ordinary passport ya 34 pages currently get 4,500. Wamente to 7,500. Nene raba sayabanga actually wako chabachire ya ordinary ya 34 pages. Ordinary ya 65 pages from 7,500 to 12,500 and there's so many other things in that so mega nyole nga chinsa chanyero kwa chiko genda mitieka.
Yes.
Ase byombe byabasa muna bono Kenya Youth Organization. Nse muki mokunyara kwa mukurwanira wasema gukora asoko ni at least serikali ebintu bunebi nkotegerera voice of reason. Do you my petition is not serikali against such a things we say your agenda is different.
I want to say that as my secretary said, life has become unbearable. We've actually gone to offices. I want to be very honest that we are doing a petition and we want to request serikali to take because a passport to 200 like 100%, one or something percent.
Around there, yes, around 60%.
It is unfair. For example, we should look for better ways. Increase. That's like increasing tax. The Kenyan youths are equally crying because of Zimbabwe. So we've gone to the offices. We have a responsibility as the national team. We've petitioned. We've tried to talk to our leaders. They've promised to do something about it. I'm happy the court has done something. I think that is worth mentioning. So the Kenyan youth need to be helped. Okini passport is not the way to go. The government should come in and look for better ways of raising money. We should see to it that our Kenya varosire punda amechoka buna bagate. So no hebali ukinia mwaninje tuweko likijibesa tuwakanire gosiniri deni. It could not go that direction. Yale ko bansake egere ebintu byarro bake. So ogine ama buta agine tayari.
Yes.
So we are really straining. Yes, I got never to tegerera and abarai ba Gusiimbara akina osoro mole very close to our president. CS Machaguno Igwete, you are very close to the president. Kindly talk to him. Matenga ebinte bine bikomwake. Abaga tegera to can understand.
Okay.
Our president can understand.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so of course ibintu biro binke mnabona ko register omwana go say nyorire says goes about 1 million and so many other things. I don't know monte beti background professional in area and ake Brian has also come in on tebie ekero igotogo chakuliri ngabono Kenya Youth Organization exactly linke mbekie kana inde nkikeri mokunyarkoba mogokora. Yes, Brian.
At the moment, I'm an accountant by profession.
All right.
And then I'm a Kenya Youth Organization. Naba Kenya bachite amo. Kenya ngima habasai Kenya ngima bachite amo. Tukaibeka amo. Tukaroschu WhatsApp group. Tukachaka cross chilling kere account tugotomanira abantu. Na inkuru Nyamira na tumira bari mind. Group yakina habasai bonse bamanya Kenya Youth Organization ya Nyamira bachamo. Kisii na Boigo, Kiambu, Kere County. kero twakorete tukaroshuru chigaisana tukarosia software so tete na wano twakechikura kochora barai. So we went ahead tukaform a software yuwakachikura in such a way one person one vote. Kero twakorete iko tukachaka chikura ni county level. Tukachaka chikura county level, tukachaka kochora chairman, communication director, organizing secretary, sigo county level. Kachukura chaka yutangana was elected in a chairperson in Nyamira County. The chairperson is elected countrywide. From there, the constitution area Kenya International Yarengo Teba, but it from the county executive members only. Yeah, now we work to the sub-county and ward levels. When they finished, now the county executive now want to go to national level. That's why we went to the national level. Go to the president, vice president, secretary general, organizing secretary, the treasurer, the trustee, the communication director, and the nominated members. Tuagete chikura, my friend Yamitekana the communication director, Nanchenga Rwanda kabisa nkabe secretary, a president in Central Akoro, vice president in Nairobi, the trustee Koru Mombasa, the coastal region, Lamu. The secretary general comes from Western Kenya, Kakamega County. Alafu then to go the treasury Kericho County, Rift Valley. So Kenya Youth Organization are distributed evenly across all the localities. We say the former provinces. Okay. So we are every part of the Republic of Kenya.
Now here Chaketokoro, which county specifically?
It started specifically from Kiambu County.
From Kiambu. All right. So. Metieka a mandate agenda ya Kenya Youth Organization area.
Yes. Into Togo Karamangana Vasai on speed, ranging from unemployment, ranging from climate change, ranging from member education, the TVET courses. We are doing everything here in Masai. Anything we are there. We want to see the youths are included in everything they do. Part of the government agenda, that's what the government wants. We want them to ensure that part of the agenda. I think that's for a game changer, as our national secretary said. This is a game changer because only to a software work chikura. Even I busy, we are telling them in the near future. Abasa Zimbabwe a mandate yokoba Roselia software tutia mangana yoko robera jiraini montoa kachikura na enkuru asakarairi so that we make these things digital. So our mandate is simple. It is youth, inclusivity in government, and leadership in general. Because youth don't have money, they have time to do anything that the government wants.
How exactly are you achieving that? Because wakatuli yugi WhatsApp na nimekutano. How exactly are you achieving that? Kwa making up a included.
Correct. Amangana Kenya Youth Organization. We partner with them. We bring the agenda to the ground. Because you don't back at ward level. Towards a sub-county, towards a county, then the national, then the nominated. Our idea is to ensure that the youths are included in everything the government is doing. So it's like we are partners in bringing development to the grassroots level. And we are calling upon the government to include us in the agenda. That's why we're here. Egere, abasaina orubakole egento. Ndorigora mabarai. Tosigete marai you're elected. We respect the president. In fact, our launch on first, we've welcomed the deputy president, and I know there are many people will come, and I welcome everybody on board to come and listen to us, because the youths have the energy and the potential to do what you may not think they can do.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So, miteka kuruwa senjera okweresa tindara concrete idea nga kimugunyaro kwa mogo konya basa apart from okolengere maybe kubolia serikali enyale ko bageko ba include asemero bya nebintu binde. I'm not seeing a concrete approach a deliverable neriye ego chikorigerenga Kenya Youth Organization actually omusayengo benefit yale kurwale. What is the strategy? I'm not seeing it.
I want to say that we are in the initial stages, and we have programs, we have programs like serikali bwate programs because we went to mpaka youth president. We have committees. There's a committee on education looking for ideas chira let no activate courses chiba affordable for the young person or the nkali or rojengaki konyora a lower grade in education is the end of life. Members to be part of the leadership. I think that is equally very important because abasana waramba with them leadership skills. They can rule the country in the near future. Abora ntoketu adenga basaba baje rule ko gamba kale is no longer in our plans. We've even brought in speakers. These are resource people. We even advise our youth how to start businesses from the small income they have. Mental health is something we are doing. We bring speakers who talk to the youth because even in universities, students are killing themselves. So these are ideas, and ideas can be transformed into action when we include everybody on board. And that's why we are looking upon the government because it's the government of the day. So the youths must be included in leadership today, not another day.
So Kenya Youth Organization is more of advocacy.
Correct. Yes.
Okay. So Brian, from us, say County of Nyamira, for instance, currently, Kenya Youth Organization, what is the membership?
Right now, the membership has reached 85% because mobilization konyengo korwere isaine. So from the national level, each county will form CBOs, others could register NGOs and to provide support. As we speak currently, to want to go to Nyamira Youth Organization. Inera yandeta kuibanga, yandeta kwa mobilization, kuria abaraina warukamba na warubamanye. Manina chuward yao as a county ya Nyamira, maneta cross welfare. Kera to engage not just Nyamira County but Kenya Ngiba, other government entities like the Youth Enterprise Fund, whatever they offer loans to youths, but when they form the welfare, so they come together. That's what is exactly happening on the ground in Nyamira County. And other counties in our Saigonsi, when I go benefit now Korachi project.
So 85% of what?
All right, 85% of the youths Banyamira under the umbrella of Kenya Youth Organization. Banyamira.
Okay.
Yes. Ngabachiramo yabono bono kuyarjeni ngalo no ni okora no waka chikura. You find mostly in the Nyamira County, youth don't come to vote. That's why you see a specific age of people in Abago Sogorai. That coming together means that Kromoto Ikaira and Sowa.
What's the requirement? Kobe member.
The requirement to just be a youth between the age of 18 and 40 years, according to the Kenya Youth Organization Constitution. If you are between the age of 18 to 40, you are a member.
Okay. Yeah. So just like that, yes, you go actually maybe on a form. Kegara give me anything on when so 18 to 40 already are able to come and a member ya Kenya Youth Organization.
Yeah, our ICT director, the national ICT director, which is in the software system where people register and fill their details. One of my Samuel Mitiaka is from Kisii County. Number NRA, number NRA. One of them once we work registered. That's why we collect that to my number. I want to marry in Gabari. What is the number? What's the percentage that is growing in every county? Yes.
Okay. Ndaro kura sole Brian, especially because whatever koro yisema cha West Mugranga yere county ya Nyamira, and use example ya county ya Nyamira. Ebyombe binke byebasai bya chakigo especially se county ya Nyamira na obigo cha kaiga na ndabono bigo chibye cha kemia kili chirete chinga kiche campaign. Twara mogwa kama yogiga. I can give you an example. Nyamira ni yetu sisi ma youth.
Yes.
Bimbiro gali Nyamira, enough of them they were the budget champions and so many by the bimbe sana bera Nyamira lakini ebi cheko to ekoro kanelinga ura no bali mwai mogo tieka goswabo syo buna barai. The only thing mogo ligine ndaye because afterwards ndiko ranga yabarai obako as far as defending amagani yabasai. Could you agree with that?
Again to what ebyombe byaringe kormaiga baro ntobono ni mtwache Kenya Youth Organization na ndere Kenya Youth Organization ngaketwa ya family taringa kia siasa. There's a purpose and a reason why we have formed Kenya Youth Organization at this time. Twachiramo we go deep to our pockets to use our own resources to make sure that things into we are correct erinde tunyara kuibeka tuibanga munge wendete uchinchie county yetu ya Nyamira na constituency ya West Mugirango ya Senkuru. That's why okonyoranga omuntu nonyorenge Nairobi, we can communicate effectively mwanyengi kendrete Nyamira through the online system. Meeting tokoro shire physical tuomerana twagambanga abasaingi tokaniti ngakitokobanga gochimoto ngakitokobanga mangana yoborai ngakitokonyora resources koruga ya tunyara go correct specifically we are development oriented tunabantu bone gatorengereti amangana ya magendro tari komnyoka sawa na siasa ngakorinda chinda chito yaye tunamangana ya magendro ngabasai twachire bikundi chi welfare chi organization twachiramo. So and I want to assure you in the next 2 to 3 years the development which koreme yabasai yoshiko ba different ngakiri abana siasa bagachire basera abantu chibesa base okonyora tei. So yenga kingo chanyore every youth na independent ya Nyamira na Kenya ngima abo mo twachire nebrengeri byo stokobeka amo. It will be very impossible for omwana siasa on the west kureria kiasa abana siasa usokuwa abana siasa bashiko mu Rwanda usasegete mangana itayigoshikobo. Okay, sari tuachira ama ndi tuibangire tuichokire.
All right. Mitie komo sawa gotekereta sobo tukobo igabwa lero. Unabona gote batare 1 December gonda murali Bomas.
Yes.
Ko launch ase omugeni wesiko mwali getomo deputy president.
Yes.
Assurance kera tolinga mitie kama mbi mo deputy president zamba tebe ngabona mitie nchuga nakurangiri headquarters ga cha UDA ose kwanyoro nomination yali ngaigote bukurunga
Seito Nyamasibi. Yes.
So kwanyoro nomination as county ya Kisii ali county assembly.
Yes.
Nga still no gendere kunyara ko bago kuegerera obo ene boa omosa. In other words, I personally as mitie kabune communication director.
Yes.
What is your agenda? What is your vision as far as Omosai are concerned?
Ekera tochitamo, as Mr. Brian has put it. I want to remind you interests. Don't get self-interest. Jianakoboras in any human being.
All right.
But advocacy tells us that we first think of others. Maiteno takai ko again really no monto next time again really that is a wrong way of thinking. Abasai bonds very important. And it's a long time since our youth realized that they have the potential to do something. That's why tutagetenga no ningewa gento no ndenero tarage kwa kore kinera benefit. I want to assure the Kenyan youth that Mitieka will always speak for you. I'm not going to say about nonsenairu gento na kanyekire. And actually we are non-political as we speak. We don't lie to one side of siasa. What we need is the youths to be given a platform where they can benefit. Hii mambo ya president anasema weka pesa mfukoni. That's our interest. Aba sana baba nyole pesa bako weko mugo to kuunga nani nyangi bwana ngojire ko bachibesa chichiedewa. They should get money to benefit themselves. That platform is what we are fighting over. I'm a teacher by profession, and that does not mean I've stopped teaching. I'm helping the Kenyan kids understand what life is. So, kiregen toke buate time yai. Imani the jinsa chiagasi, imani the jinsa chiabasa inchiro.
Okay.
I've not stopped, and I will always do that to fight for their rights. Not necessarily to agree, but in a sober way, we can constructively come together and ensure the Kenyan youth have a common purpose. So that in 2027, they should be given time to ask our leaders in the next 5 years, me every year. That's not the way to go. We should change the mindset. That's where the challenge is. Yes.
All right. Asante sana. Wanji mateli ogende tokotegera Radio Vuna 102.0 FM morobeli asembe ono morobeli obwabara ina amagendro nyacha Brian ere bro bright magechi microphone kirongo kunyolingo nyatura nyara kabako kwelike na NHIF ena kikwanyara kabako korabo iga kegara na bego kwali baka dio konyoro bogwene boys ko gwetara outpatient go se inpatient ko bakero ko bero kabako gotangwa se ward na boigo na bego gotinira sa maruira ali makongwa ko lia chibesa chinyinge bunabono cancer no nyine kero mungine bwatera ntia gucuja ko bakago kakwekonya gose no kurigirira gwachi nyigo no namangana operation obo bali ngone kero kwanya ko bago kwanyara nga kwa bwatera ni gwa sumpasko no bwepara na amakongwa manga bwatera netio mwanche muteli obokwenia ko bwate kadi NHIF at least ngunyaro ko ba go kore maina kirero iganga kwirikire na NHIF na lituka selindo mutinya sonde nkone kyori ngangu nyaro ko ko nyakandira asa mange na boko nyaro ko wa kesi migotera se number 0800 720 601 0800 720 gusotara lya somotandao wetera NHIF as a website ire www.nhif.or.ke enekinga kwa soire na ndino bwate NHIF asenge njuburuire borobu mbuli kunyara koba bogwaka odi
Simo, nimekuwa kwa ile group yake. Manze, naona ameform group ingine tena inaitwa Mama Junior Medical Fund. Basi nimeona Mama Junior kukibanda sahi akiuza matunda.
Alright, asante sana mwancho muteli cha tigere chideka kienda kutoka chinsa isa tochi abono botuko gendera tokotegera rumoro bali kwa baraina ama gendero ime radio Vuna 102.0 FM na so botuko bwera tokena tonyara ko batoko ligereria mangana alingeta basande na barai babasai kura sekyambike Kenya Youth Organization Ekegusii studio como konda Brian Kioronero le National Secretary gosomolike omone na sekyombekyo na Mitieka Samuel oyore omoteneri bobwereria mangana gose National Communication Director na kuligereria generally issues chikunyara ko bachigo kuna abasae na echi abange bagukagera nga basoa sebyombe buna Kenya Youth Organization anda kenchinyare ko bachi ko bakonya mnabona se county ya Nyamira sokorwa about 52 na isana semia ya population ya Nyamira yera about 600,000 agento igo barabasai 75% a youth lakini karoko kora assessment yao abasae mbamanyete opportunities kiro especially at the county echuchi balenga tajirement for them ngakiranyero ko bago create awareness yabo igoro yebintu biro mete bintu no biko bora kino itumaiti
Yes.
na bobiko gandego bira na national government go zabantu bande banyara ko babakulia how can you rate the awareness yo kumanyanga opportunities yabo nchiri cha say county level?
The rate I can give it is a very low rate. Now na around 30 to 40%. That is why twachite na Kenya Youth Organization ni chinde chigacha nga Nyamira Youth Organization ne chinde indi to yare kokorega siamo ne serikali yeje. We work together at the county level tokorega siamo ne county government. So that information ye went to kira abasai ebe ko channel e kira abasai in the right way, because as we told you, Chikura institute with the social media wakachikura the software formed in such a way to talk as in county government information you don't say when to go kirabasai and you went to go can the opportunity to chiro the 80% of the youth are not to mobilizing now and then to talk about mobilization so to go atabara yari ni secretary ne rekoro ku hezbono ko ba korega singia sana wa communicative into ya sana. So the tu akorre the communication in ke wenda sa in opportunity ke ko wase county government ko chia saba sai kiromo sai wanyina batikate 15% karabu 85% wanyo information ni ke bayikere ihindo tumanyinke nke gane iri ko wase basai ni county government yam we katokore egasi yamo so abara ibari bare as a county government gabamanye they are there if you're not there okoraba sai egasi because time ngorenda okorre egasi abasa na buchingu chiamami yeah that what they know we teba Acts 2:17 old men see dreams and the young people see visions. The what vision in abasa is a county ya Nyamira to went to incorporated in the Kenya county so long as in tobe kirime there's no way the county of Nyamira can grow. We have to what chedia chinyinge chiraire chinyinge sana nakie kitu chiramo tobe okichedia chine vision yechu na sasa chirichigane iri tukonyora wikatoshinyore because umante we korwa onyo tete kendinyo so ikorwa ndane chingurwense life is a battlefield kirase nonyendingo ya Nyasaye isteginja betomba kashetani ya ikanse esegere kirase kirikyo kendo so tegete we korwa anyo konyora ne chinguru na kitu wangu yatawakora tunyore resources chisa ine na information yendo yonsi abasa wente konyora ime ya Nyamira county was it opportunity in the church chikoro as a county government around here ikachikira abasai
alright
tari ngakare
asali bakali ya buno muri kina indetali nga oyo Nyamira national Kenya ngima naturally omosayo bategerete expect singa Brian Kioro at least na amanyete nga yagotoira kegarana rura ari mutubuno muri ki igono nyine opportunities yechi na amanyita ase kirara agende iga banyara ko baga kwaroria mana yu elinda basaye banyara ko bakonyora kende. Maybe from your position, what are some of these opportunities chiro for the youth? You whatever about 60%, what am I thinking chiro for them at the county level?
Awayane ntwanda to kuwa na serikali. We are knocking different officers to engage the abarai ao be serikali kumanyanga basaimbaro bachiramo ba Kenya Youth Organization. Kerato kwa ndacho bisecho kuba territory nkia basai bategete. Mande twanyoranga cyo bisecho serikali cyo opportunity nchichire lakini njira chira ikira basai na chiaborire. The channel of communication eborite. Wana we president yo kwanda ngento nga hustler fund bantu bagwa the information nki hustler fund yet. Yeah. Na Kenya Youth Organization twatebrenga kwa koratore gasine serikali yamo. So the president ya kwanda hustler fund twanyora information what exactly nkikere twatumira abasaye indi propaganda kunya gocha abasaye banyora mbagwa take mine machira chopo chicho.
Okay, so Brian, what I'm getting at the county level to what much for the youth, because the Karukwan Hustler Fund, that is a national program. At the county level Nyamira it means again to years kewasai
at the moment at the county level no nyembonega Kenya Youth Organization na Nyamira Youth Organization twende tuko chamo ukra inauguration twende tukomera na barai au kubairesa magani yabasaye as a county ya Nyamira.
Okay, all right. Samuel.
Yes.
National Communication Director meto mondo kora communication to communicate kinto tamaiti beketo ngama ananonya buate.
Yes.
Kogote yawa and you're telling them what you know.
You are right.
Maybe amatunda yale especially at the county level and nationally yabasaye ubatara manyamwa chebu na Kenya Youth Organization.
Yes.
Ko baraili ne munyale ko bamoko abori na ali arabe.
I want first to say ekero go chaka wiko chakre sino. Nkano monto kuigekera na nesuli kwa chaka kumanya kiwo kumongo na chore wa abantu. In Kisii County, for instance, I'm very proud to have met almost all the directors as a person, and I'm aware the opportunities today ground. MCA is one of the opportunities. There is a program in Kunyota coming for the youths.
MCA, maybe you elaborate a little bit.
Nyota ni program Kuru KEOP it go change. KEOP has been there. Yaliko have something small for their businesses. It is now changing to something about advancement of the youth.
All right.
So this is one of the things I've already known Abasai, and I've advised Abasai Babe very close to the internet, so that they make internet their friend. These things they don't be going all the time. They are done through the internet, and our youths have in fact got that information. Number two, Abasai Baito, they are aware across the 45 wards in Kisii County. I'm happy governor at least go by Kiraro and go by Kwanirale through other means, and I want to congratulate Simbarat for that. I know the opportunities Abasai went to Koyo. I'm announcing yes recall. I'm aware Abasai Mbali Mikakati. Like now, we had a discussion with Agipo. Agipo is something about register companies. We had a talk with the one leader from Agpo, and we had a discussion. And I can tell you, things are happening. This that Abasai Baito Baliko Manyang in the Mbigi. A challenge to Bugate is money. As I started earlier, Abasai Bugate potential, energy, and time. This time, when Java tapped properly, Abasai Baito could even stop using drugs, could even do something constructive.
All right.
Yeah.
Hold on. All right, asante sana mwancho mategererio radio Vuna 102.0 FM chabutukire chide kamera ngebere mage chinse seto chabono batuko Morobelia sembe no morobelio barai na amagendro nyachai Brian Magechi microphone ndoke bro bright ndena barai gega se studio kura sekyo mbegelikia Kenya Youth Organization ngomo kwandara Brian Keoro yole National Secretary na boigo Mitieka Samuel yore Communication Director sekyo mbegelikia Kenya Youth Organization sense ya Kenya ekeronte tukinyara kwa banko na asemola bara ya sense ya kabiri nende karibu sana sechi ngwana ichi
asante
Kero tukutambuka sense moli ya kabere na nimetenga abantu bange sana babategerete maybe you can recognize them as you respond to the question ngo chakamo naye Brian, especially asamana bon tutambuke ya leadership and representation ya Basai. Mnabone county ya Nyamira sokurwa 75% banongetana bira na sana seme ya bantu bali Nyamira na Basai.
Yes.
Lakini ekero kora analysis for example yobo choli kwa nyarako bawo boeta oligelinga Abasai mbalenga who made it gochi ase ebirugo biri biguro ebyoburayi kwandro governor kwandro senator kwandro woman rep na boko ba surprised.
Sure.
Exact maybe ase nomination se alia sense mo yobo MC in fact no bode kirgo kyobo senator Abasai mbaro ba imogete mapema balenge very strong vibrant Nyamira bata kitu kubuli wa senator lakini aseba nywere tukuchia we don't know what happened timeti how comes tupo tumu baroma nenda kwa Basai lakini kego cha soko bachora sebiruko biborai mbayo what happens.
Thank you very much. Tete kwanza nga appreciate chairman ya Nyamira County ya Kenya Youth Organization Nyamira County koroku job gizore sega simgyao kora tubwate abandi bakora kazi bono kobe secretary tubwate Mike Mamwanja igasingia sana bakora yo koreta Basai amo banyamira ndigete nga appreciate chairman ya Gusiiland the Nairobi community laba no maturi asiga simgia sana bakora yo koreta Gusiiland amo. In my early talk natebanga for Ekegusii Abasai abandi banyamira banyabuchanka kubwata chikura na kwakira chikuranga abone umuchando mutanganyo chakerete and that one we can admit ndinga twateletumante Abasai n'abantu bakora achievation n'abagaka n'abantu bechindoto kontrate banga bagaka n'abantu abe ntubaga netia sobo sembwa wabo lakini asokora magendo mwango ntoga netia Abasai nakiye twatebanga twachira mu ng'Abasai kiro mondera ne sobo ngakiriye chikura sauri ogabana tokorgereri is not a yutari musayoro obo women rep tari musayoro ekero kyo ogabana no senta nebinde tari musayoro twachira mu ng'Abasai toisara stugambe inkitutegete twabanyane ng'Abasai inkiye kogera abanga bayitontori wocha nkatu akachikura tore isiko bose tu abstain around ye wika to chamo bari bonse bari isiko wika to chamo tugambira magana yo oburai w'Abasai erinde tonyare buchinchi account ya Nyamira no burai yo wa Nyamira na magenda so around ye ndori chigotigara maya abuno mbago sarenge mono asaba sa abandi batenete mbairi sarwa sa bamwe abombarengo lakini around ye magosa itari uchokorekana.
Okay. Mitieka se county ya Kisii Gubli Abasai mbaro asama baka yoburai talking of the likes of Osoro Simbarati Gubli no Mosai but also go kora general comparison ne population about 1.2 million against ya balibaro na bakoranga na benga gotonya mabere entonyia mabere ase nyanja
ni korasi chai
yes na ekero kora analysis yebo choli boita it was a disappointment as Abasai bange especially Abasai mbaro balingi very vibrant mnabona bali kuli kero kyo basenda de tugwatora marieta bali kuli kyo basenda biruge ibindi lakini all of a sudden from the blue baga tigira abagaka which came as a disappointment especially as Abasai banga se county Kisii koroginga omusaibu na Mitieka gagocha matuka berata toigaga chagire komanyekana mugakondo chumarangire tenga Mitieka karabwatangiri wa misini echi
chiko chande
na chiko chande tenga ndango mwena ali kente kwa sababu ito zino choile it shows ng'Abasai bali raisi kogura. What do you think?
Before I go to that question then I appreciate abangwana bara number one I want to appreciate PhD Musiria le Mosai. He's a leader in medical services, a chief medical officer in Nairobi County. You are doing a very nice job up there. I'm very proud of you. I want to actually appreciate equally. There is a teacher also minere ndojo ndenga na koyuli Madam Edina Songo na Korolirabu. Want to appreciate my family members who have given me support to be where I am today. And first I want to say that abasae abange the mode of thinking has been handouts. Ekeroda abasae batabuga jiwesa generally abakonyora bakuguraisi. Ekeroro jitabuga tiobo si nyomba. Umuntu ajaga tengaki agatuliro ngale agenda kolero ngoli. It becomes easier kotika no ene achenda kwa bwate kwanyora kwa guli rice. That has been the tradition. Abasabaito bakarabate no bogambi chibese chiko cha care, and the people in this country actually totika kwa keru ne chibese will be able to choose very wise leaders. But because chibese chiko control everything, abasabaito singande bachitabu atibuya na bogote no bwata achende ngiya otagete kora abantu. But whenever sajaika ya care, I have a friend, I don't want to mention him. Otenenete buyaga ya danga ninje ntete kwa bomu sayo kukambe kenyorek. But you know, chibesa jiga chika mo care. Toka chako li chibesa chikanga wisana. So you realize na ba uete go raisigo. But I believe there is a time that is coming. Power is for the youths. Egere turabe pa moda. To change the mindset ngaki omugambi wikabe ngana bwate besa. Tiatolire liyo bogambi bocho konya abantu. I want to congratulate abagambi bete abasa embaro. What the governor is very youthful. I can also have very youthful leaders, but I equally want to advise them that they must come together. Paikara ansense. Na raba Gusii, for example, Gusii abasai. Na undoji bako taka ko tuara wrangles chobogambi Gusii. Ngibatako chiramo. Paikara ansamo. Solve all the differences. I'm talking about Simbarati, governor yane. Na our leader of maturity Oyole Omongwana Osoro. These are very young people, but who are the future. They can even be president tomorrow. Come together, sit down. When we tangura jalidia, tango mwekaranstama mukwanen. Na rise in the day of the mwenda gocham. Those are very key things. Omosae, abasae barabagambi, ikaransamo, tegerera bagaka. Let them advise you ngitoko repinto. These leaders tomorrow.
All right.
Because we have been given a very serious position even in the government. In Kisii County, the leaders, I beseech you, sit down. All
right.
Yes. Yes.
Na ekeroba kurigiriria bali barakire kurabara basai. Examples kwa Rurosoro, we talk of Simbarati as a county ya Kisii.
Yes.
County Nyamira na to kwandira mungwana buna Nyambega Kisesa.
Yes.
National na to kwandira abantu buna Babu Wino. Abantu buna Edwin Sifuna.
Yes.
And the rest.
Yes.
Ekero kurigiriria basabo. Bahoro kiriyo mugwekano liyo bwenerete nabona abagusiga tukuriri bose abona yero kubangwatura.
Yes.
Barokirie omugwekano gocheso mwaki kura ora muomoyo nga tigange omosaya no opportunity anyara kubaga kugamba.
Abasaya nabayapi, and I'm actually very proud of them. These are leaders, but abasaya, they are doing what it takes to be a leader. But a challenge babugate no go takorega siamo. Bale ko make a differences kando. Baikara sense batening Osoro. No le moina Simbarati, no le moina Sifuna, no le Kerogege. And all these leaders, if they could put their differences down and wait for a period you work at Chikura, we could be so far, I tell you. But because of differences, kisiasa, nale political side, I want to tell them they are doing well. Despite the challenges they are facing, you are doing well as leaders. But now I beseech you again, ikara ansanse motegerera abantu baino. Okotegera abantu baino nendo kiamana sana, by the way. Listen to the people who've elected you. Let them understand that because you are there, magania wangu ikirekali, and be approachable. That is important.
That means metiakonya sobo tuko bolera sege pindi kia bara ina magandro.
Yes.
abasaba youthful leaders bachole tu you are advising them.
Yes.
Kibago chamo.
Yes.
Kiba wento kunya ko bako peka chitobauti chaben sema. Then it means abaki chikura mbale justified bali baga kakora. It means nga youth is a challenge. Why do you elect somebody which ogosumbu mamino endo chako mo advising akiago chamo? Then the electorate are justified even the coming elections to scrap off all youths wanyara ko bago wakara chikura wagaka.
They are not justified as such. Esengencho, we equally form part of the group etakire kotuara barai. Abasai na buga banki in the population. So electing the leaders it is the right thing to do. But then differences can always arise. Nyombe tabuga tiye bitina mwaka no mo kungu mo jito bwenereti.
Ina oranga ka karaba sai baru gambi ba gwatia bantu metumono go itania bagaka.
Because they can see tomorrow. Abasai by the way, they have the vision, they have the energy as I put it. Again, to get monda we interest in kango na ikira segete. Etole bwango. That's one of our challenge. Onye ndito wotegerera abantu twins. We can be very far. And that's why narangeli osoro na simbarati ngona koleta mole chiburuburu chitali meaningful ni usi ngosali mole kebuta kia baka. Nuna baraya bangai ni pi. Na in fact tunawategemea. Nyamira moroje mejando teyo. Ingi Gusii Kisii county ereta wikaransiramu motegerane onye ne cha tonyu asobu amo we can be able to tell you the truth. Moja moega mokora bante there are differences mokuga titali kuagacha kende yons. We could be so far because you have the energy as osoro as osimbarati ni nutoligereti kiara bone serikali useni ndoche kutumia. Yes.
Okay. Nongi kelia wentu kunyara ko baka gukora because the odds are one trust y'abantu bagwaka chikura asomosae ikegenda the governance ikegara bari bakwe guchi opportunity n'abantu bakoleta chiburaburu n'abantu bakolenta ko minyokani ko musanaga naria n'abantu mitieka tebire nga ende ogocha kwera no chaka ko ba advice nga kibako beka gitoboti y'abensema boikarasa mu gukwana. Then that is one issue. There is a trust deficit as a asomosae. So the number two, mitieko tebiringa is a challenge of finance. Mangani chibas. Of course, abiringa kweka utware bese cheto roshira bantu eliro makonyera koba kwali bagayirenga bagaka batwara na pahand. Omusase bono tete kwe position endo bwate kirenka yukunyera koba kora abantu lakini okokole mirima against those odds. Nkikiria bwente kunyera koba gukora eliro koba seli bagalikia lyogwanchero na nabananchi asekirgo kibrai.
Asante sana. Itangayo mente abasaina bange sana. Isika bagwate potentiality yo borai lakini mbaranyo opportunity yo express. In any organization or a political party society in the chonzi njigwate both the negative side and the positive sides. Taiba saiboka na nyina bantu ao get ensengima. As much as chi part nchiro chite negative asaba sai, there's a big part the positive asaba sai. Wanyiri sache ya koretwe abantu bakoreta magendro mono Kenya ngima babunge baka chiga bananki abantu abange ba leader tinabasai asa magendro as much as asaba sai mbabwata manganawo ko actually che idea chirishya korega asi asaba na inchi era sana sebari because mbabwata energy no korengere ko nakomyoka bwangu na okora research na korete idea gete era konya abantu energy ndo korra bakonya komyoka banya kurutana. They are still young. Every person nkurwa ndara vision ya yekine nakiyakoro yakorwa na gochia oyakorwa na gochia lakini at the end of the day njengo rande ngo chabare bakora magenda so long as you ndata siribo ngimabwaye ama ebintu biri batete abakenya ngo kora bari the positive part of it ikasonyerigerere the negative will always be there ko generation yeye uche generation yende wikabihoro but let us look at the positive side mo senga kiebono bintu byakongera ensengimo ndoga neti abasaya bange batenene baburi oburai Nonyeline toto bometiari taringa ne sabu ate she was despised lakini kana teneta kanyore opportunity ne platform yako iresera abantu bakara ke mugambi narega nando ero opportunity nande ngo Rwanda abantu ba naranse nabantu ba yari ngo bategerara kotegerara mashauri ya bagaka nakye kitokotera abantu bopuza bagaka baito so nonye nangandi nakwandi tanga ne bukonye na tebetenga old men shall dream dreams and young men shall see visions yanto yakoba actually still an vision. Anda baka kanto ganati asobo sembua even mimi mbwate my dad oromo somi sana ko Dr. Andrew Yamuta Kioro mo somi ara sector education go isa ansanda ntebya bosemi nteyo mbono kondo bisi yamangana corruption tika kabisa kabo monto moronge nabo tugutakaba akabato semigo rinde tobe burayo metonyaro kora ari abonde tena jiri tubwate bonega ntukanga kitego chakoika tobaba kaka totigera abande bagocha so rikanya yabone getegeta abantu bari very active most of these hard times very active akore binto and bakora under pressure because pressure ere yinko basaba na inchi wenda semu MCR pressure nero so free education bona yama tukaye basanjiri ko rwebuya nabona to kwana mwana aro konyo berete isiko mbaro bari ba riskeka bacheta okora matemo konye bakora ibarua. There's too much pressure from them. That pressure, there's a given age yabantu gete batanyari konye handle. But the age nero a young age baranyari kwando pressure yabantu abonsi in school fees inchi bolete kenke bolete we as youth you can handle that. Torna kito konya abantu baito uchimoto.
All right. Ndete kututambuka se enganende mitieka.
Yes.
Na chinga kichi abono the reality somo saya kunyara kubaga komera na chiro chinjiringa na bako gende skuru maybe anyole gosene basari nyoro sene scholarship lakini kago cha iskoga yatoka ngaimere mateyo gento ngero masonga koroko nga boomerang effect omoibuli lero okoiro mwane skuru obege toko semerengo mwana yo komore skuru akore skuru arwo ache kunyara kubaga onkonya akonya na bana bamwabo omwana ogende skuru kora none college okore university oma koira nanka nende yatoka nganende nayo moiboli okonyara ko makonya fika wende nganero ko chonyara ko baga ko konya timaite against those realities na kigora na siasa bange ki campaign the campaign on a platform nga ngoje toliko barosaria mabaga yemeremo so those are the realities ekina kieka ene kero no monto rase school bone go gotegero to university or college that is the reality.
Yes.
Nga kiuma sa kunyara ko baga ko maneuver sa chinga kichinga unecho.
Thank you. It does not mean no journalists. That is how sad, rather the reality the ground. Tuwaliwa wana waja watanga ukweli kwa ground. Usikiza ground inakuambia kuna kazi.
Yes.
I want to challenge them. There are many things a person can do beyond konyora academic masomo kupeko mtu. I want to say gosoma na skill. What is important is the skill actually. To translate this education to money is what we are looking for. That's what we are talking about, empowerment. Empowerment starts from starting something small. Even like a project, you go come at the NHS. Na pesa te yo mate ya konda, pesa te ya wait call a job. Pesa ne pesa baro ko nyare riziki yao kwa endelea bogima with moino. And that's why we are even stressing as Kenya youth. We are stressing TVET courses are very important. Omonto na bocha ko okoraga course game tienye mekechi module. I want to request on the Ministry of Education through our CS mwano ito macho mwano Gusiiland omonto mongai. Tuwale ko nyora away TVET courses jale ko be queen modules. Omonto joro si gosene tiles chenyomba chuk. Okay, and in a few days and manya painting. You know, at the end of 3 months omonto yole okol the tiling Ojagiri could earn something through the houses like a project yesterday. This is what we are talking about. You can start small. People started small. Look at Ruto. I want even to mention Nkoko Gesairo is one of the guys in Nyamira, Masabaga. Nkoko. I've always watched him grow. You know, wherever you start, your dreams are valid. But the still it is okay. But you see, how people never pressure. Like now, go this is a person who went to supported. It is not the end of the road. And don't slip to depression. You can always do what's available. We got on a white collar job to we can start a project and as Kenya Youth Organization, that is what we are focusing on. A simple project that can earn you a living. Yes.
All right. So mitiaka omosawo yo gwategereta se obotuko boiga bwerero ebintu mbiro byabire buna bono ntubwate the youth fund.
Yes.
Nonyena affirmative action fund. And n'ebintu bindi no we have the National Youth Council.
Yes.
N'ebintu bindi bingi byabere ko biko ba matuka ya mayaga.
Yes.
In fact I think we have KYOP. Abendo ko support business enterprises chabasai.
Yes.
Timaite karo kunyaro ko bako gukora analysis all those structures chiakonyiro musai na onyanjira mukonya ngayumo chandobere.
These are initiatives chichakiro kono musai. That one we must agree. A challenge is I wait to connect to Bugate or say Bugate. It is lack of this proper knowledge about this. Montreva meeting a Kayapunero, Akita meeting a Giago apply. It is imperative for them now to know to make internet their friend. Ekegusii very so close to the internet. These are things that are posted there. Montana unaweza enda hapo uangalie upate an opportunity that you never knew that existed. And tell you these funds are there. I want to talk of a girl from Lamu who applied something about Keo. I mean, MSEA. MSEA, mbaba ntomba manye tepi. Oyeraga jakana kona gutara online yagake. MSEA. This person was given up to 900,000 and there were 2 girls. Bande manyamba manye tepi. So what if our youth population knew these things? It will be able to help them. There is this money, uwezo fund, oka kujibesa, ona yani pore serikali imetenga kia enoro kuexistio ne biashara vyao, yani napore yani pole pole. These are things that are giving our youth an opportunity. The thing is, let them be near the internet. Everything now is be close to the internet and make it your friend. You'll be able to know opportunities available and you can be assisted. Yes.
All right. Does Brian you have to comment hapo?
As my brother Mitiaka Kwanire.
Yes.
We have engaged various leaders, Korwe Youth Enterprise Fund, KYOP. We have done a lot of programs online. Okwanira Basai, what is expected of them? Because again to watch the realize Basai what they don't have is the information. The channel of information. Flow Koruchi obviously serikali gochi ya Sabasai is very poor. I think even some time back a president in Jamaica complained about that. Information kuelewa ya serikali iliwekera Basai. That is the initiative we have taken over. We invited one of the officer. It's called Cliff Kiora kwanira Basai kabisa. Akabatenga kama form to welfare mo chamo tubakonye monyore chi loan monyore chi grant ne chi ronge yo communication director kwandiko ya Nyota. So we are still sensitizing these youths to make sure that welfare is your family in Nyamira County, na Kisii County, na Kenya ngwa. Ili ndebanya wale chifaina, abasaba banyara konyora chifaina chi babonde chi group chilifa family, bachaka okora chi project yabo. Because in that they have like shades, yoko na nebi asara. Shade yechi una into mantin to mind. Na liwana wasatu wasta konyora information into aba na amwari na rigani the officer wacha watu walesa, asite komenya ke shade injira serikali yakare korwa. Abantu bakore byasara. Iba baire loan iba bakore byasara wasatari wakandra kende. Konyara ke konye information tutakuwa tuna ngabande twagandre twachira atambe. So that is the part of the engagement to work with various government entities to make sure kero musae o benefitiri na ndeto nyore gochi motwe abantu bagandre ile bachira atambe.
Manyanga no human being is perfect. Perfect. Tali wanja kwa monto. Perfect. Mweke na nyegete sengincho nyachieni yangamberete ngagenda ngatika mochandegete kumbe nseye yantegete keraje lisako koliomotere ekitauni ebirabu kolioborere asendocha barengo goikambogere ko bagwatikera sino nyambogere abasani bamaita marunsare ekemambe marusare totinde tetwensi totatare no Tonya ngetanda totarare Chisabu ne chimbe no bolia sagero Chigagero soto veke chitero Navere korancho mwachione Nira neliga kiabana bane
Eno nyana wote chimbo chimbe Mantongo chechi bale Marisera
Amagoso na bako baba
Eno nyana wote chimbo chimbe Mantongo chechi bale Marisera
Manyanga no human being is perfect
Perfect Uneta yole perfect
Nokende tali wanja kwa muntu
Perfect Uneta yole perfect
Magoko engeli
Perfect Uneta yole perfect Molivo mura Perfect Uneta yole perfect
Radio Vuna 1.2
Kana ngataka kubayaya Kotenga polingo na payaya Timbuatie fomu tayaya Kafatari etauni kayaya Chisimi ogata tinabogori Okombori ligoso njenatogori Okonyora tindete kwa mpogori Togoikana gwakare wasogori Nachiro mwanchi ayo nyamere Asomo nkuru tata yonsabere Nakoire nkoro ya nunga chere Tonga inona montombo bagere Naye wekeke nengorenkereri Akinacheraga kigokwebereri Ogwantani waito togoigereri Kiagero nkane ngorambereri
Eno nyana wote chimbo chimbe Mantongo chechi bale Marisera
Amagoso na bako baba
Eno nyana wote chimbo chimbe Mantongo chechi bale Marisera
Manyanga no human being is perfect
Perfect Uneta yole perfect Perfect Uneta yole perfect Perfect Uneta yole perfect Molivo mura Perfect
Kama sa time Kama sa na baba
Perfect Uneta yole perfect
Kenya YouTube na session
Perfect Uneta yole perfect Perfect Uneta yole perfect Molivo mura Perfect Uneta yole perfect
No police perfect day